Laws of maintenance. So there are certain laws, there are rules for the software maintenance. And what are these maintenance? Before that, see, there will be a lot of old software. The software which is made today will be old tomorrow. So there will always be a lot of old software that will need maintenance. The user will change, the technology will change, the thought process will change. So the software has to change. And if you have made a good product, it will be maintained, because the bad product will simply be thrown away in the dustbin. So there are certain laws of maintenance. The first one is Lehmans' first law. The first law says, see, these laws are very common sense law, but since he has predicted and presented it, they are laws. The first law is software product must change continuously. If they are not changing continuously, they will be useless. That is, they are useful only when the software products are changing continuously, evolving, modifying continuously, and becoming progressively useful. Otherwise, they will be useless. The second law of Lehman says, when software is maintained, its structure degrades, and it always happens. You know the regression testing? Why do we do it? If you hire a maintenance guy and he's not able to maintain properly, if one part is having a problem, bug, he tries to fix it and he creates 10 more bugs. For that, you need to put a lot of effort in the maintenance phenomena, because you really want to avoid this kind of regression or propagating or bug, say, network strategy. Then the Lehman's third law. Over a program's lifetime, its rate of development is approximately constant. There is no peak, there is no trough. Sometimes you are developing a lot, sometimes you are not developing, sometimes you are changing the software, sometimes you are not modifying it. So, right from the requirement, design, coding, testing, deployment, and maintenance, the software development, rate of development with time remains constant.